What's going on, guys? So in today's video I picked up this Kirby vacuum cleaner. Looks like it's a aluminum finish, which is kind of discolored and oxidized. So today we're going to put to the test regular aluminum polish. I just had some laying around. This is made by Wenall, and I got some Colgate here. We're going to see which one works better. Okay, so on this side, first we're going to use the Wenall aluminum polish, and on this side we're going to be using the Colgate and see which one turns out better. Alright, so that part definitely looks better with the aluminum polish. Now, let's pop open the Colgate, see if this thing does anything at all. So here's what I think. Okay, the Colgate does work, but doesn't leave a mirror polish like the Wenall stuff. But for $1 versus, you know, over $10, I think if you apply a little bit more elbow grease on a Colgate and put more time to it, it's going to be decent. But overall, I think sometimes you pay for what you get. The Wenall polish versus the Colgate polish. Tell me what you guys think in comments below. So I decided to use the Wenall and finish it up because I really didn't like the performance of the Colgate. I want to thank you all for watching my video. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you wish. It really helps me out.